right, now moving on. Let's move on. We are running out of time. Part 4 is this. Take a look at all the information. It says on the top, squeeze myself in there. Okay. It says annual medical conference, and it's being held at that place there in the banquet hall at Crown Royal Hotel. When you are giving information related to location in English, they prefer the smaller place first. So it's better to say it will be held in the banquet hall at Crown Royal Hotel. Okay. And sometimes they use the, but sometimes they don't. I'm just going to leave out the here. Okay. And it will be held on Thursday, January 5th, right? And from 9, there's a keynote speech. And at 10, there's a presentation. At 11, there's a workshop. At noon, there's a lunch buffet. And noon is 12 p.m., right? Noon is 12 p.m. And at 1 p.m., there is a lecture. At 2, there's a workshop. And at 3, there's a Q&A session, which you could also say as question and answer session. But there's no problem reading it as Q&A, okay? And it costs $75, and lunch is included in the fee. So that's the information given. And the names here, let's see. On the right side, you can see the names, and it says Jennifer Fleming, okay, and Richard, let's see, hold on. Getting there. Oh, Richard Jenner, William Lee, okay, NA means not available because it's just lunch buffet, so there must not be a speaker or presenter, right? And David Roll, Michael Natter, okay, and Raina Wallace. So all the names are not so hard to read, okay? Michael Natter, David Roll, or Raina Wallace. Most of the names are quite okay. I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's okay to read. Okay, so it's like the type of chart or program or schedule that we would see on the test all the time for this test, for this part. Okay, so the first question, the narration said, "Hello, this is Ellen Wang," and I wonder if it's Ellen Wang, or I should say Ellen Wang. Ellen Wang. I'm considering attending the upcoming conference next month and had a few questions. So could you please answer some questions I have about the event? First question here, guys. What's the first session of the conference, and when does it start and end? What's the first session of the conference, and when does it start and end? Okay. Oh, all right, Colusa. The first session is titled Keynote Speech, Future of Medical Science, and it will start at 9 a.m. and end at 10 a.m. All right, so I can tell that you were able to, you understood the question 100%. But, you know, when you are giving the information about a speech, in this case, a keynote speech, and the title of it, that's not the proper way of presenting the information, okay? So there are some other ways. There is another way that I suggest on our channel. So please wait and see. Oh, all right, Linnell. The first session will start at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now let's think. Linnell, it starts at 9, but it doesn't start at 9 to 10, right? It starts at 9 and finishes or ends at 10. All right, the event will be held by, it wouldn't be held. It's not an event, actually. You have to say this is a keynote speech. All right. Now, I got an answer here. Koi Tran said, the first session is the keynote speech on future of medical science, and it'll start at 9 and will finish at 10. Please remember that. I like this answer by Koi Tran by not. Okay. So now this information is something, this conference itself will happen in the future, right? So everything here, all the information could be delivered in future tense, and also it's information, something that doesn't change, right? So it's something that is fixed, so you can also use the present tense as well. All right, so you're using both tenses here, so it's fine. But the correct way of saying would be, it's a keynote speech. There will be a keynote speech, or there is a keynote speech on future of medical science. You shouldn't use about, okay? When you're presenting the title, it's on. So there will be a speech on, keynote speech on something something, given by. The word is given by. Okay, let's look at the T's answer. The first session will take place from 9 to 10 a.m., right? And Jennifer Fleming will present the keynote speech. The verb is not present, actually. It's not present, T. It's not present. If you are going to use Jennifer Fleming as the subject, then you will need to use a verb, but the word is not present. Present, okay, it's not totally wrong. You could use it. You could say it that way. You will present the keynote speech. But normally, when you say speech, you don't say present. You say give a speech. Give a lecture. Give a presentation. April, you got it right. Yes. April's got it right, guys. It's give. April Chen said Jennifer Fleming will give a speech on, but April, you got this, on something something, on something something, on something something. It'll start from 9. Okay. Kalusa, could I add a presenter even if the question doesn't ask for that information? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Even if the question didn't ask for that information, well, it doesn't really matter. It just said what's the first session of the conference, and the speaker is a part of that, like, you know, first information of the first session. So like it's not a problem. Okay. And I'm telling you guys, this part, the answering time, 15 seconds, like if you just give the answer to the questions being asked, you would have like some time remaining at the end. Like you would have maybe 4, 5, even 7 seconds remaining. And I try to fulfill that time, okay? I try to use up all the time by saying something related, okay? Okay, so that was the first question. Now the second question. I heard there's a buffet lunch for participants. Is there an extra cost for that? Okay, obviously you guys know what the person, Ellen Wang, is asking for, so you have to give that information. Is there an extra cost for that? Is there? Okay. Tren, let me look at his answer or her answer. The first session will take place, start at 9 and end. Oh. Okay, so this is where you guys are getting confused, okay? It will start at 9. It will end at 10, right? And it will take place from 9 to 10. You can also say it will start from 9. Okay? But other than these, they're wrong. Oh, Koi said, no, there isn't any cost for it. This is because the buffet lunch has already been included in the fee, so please keep that in mind. That was a beautiful answer, Koi. There isn't any cost for that. Okay, for that. Okay. This is because the buffet lunch has already been included. Good job. Lionel says, yes, there are an extra cost. Now, the answer to this is no. The answer to it is no. Okay. And there are an extra cost. Now, if you want to say it, there is an extra cost. If you want to say it right. Or there is no extra cost. Calusa, no, you don't need to pay the luncheon per se because the registration fee already includes lunch fee. Okay. Pay the luncheon. Pay the luncheon. Okay. You don't have to, or to pay, you don't have to pay for. There's a difference to this. Now, pay after this is money. Okay? Pay for the thing, the service, a product. You guys got what I mean by that? The product or service. Okay? So in this case, it would be you don't have to pay an extra cost. The word extra cost is money itself, right? Because, or you can say you don't have to pay for the lunch buffet. There's a difference. Okay, April, it's not has included. It's is included, right? It is, okay. Lunch, you see in the parenthesis, it says lunch included, right? But instead of just saying lunch included, you have to say lunch is included, right? Or you can say the registration fee includes lunch. All right. And the last question, I'm going to move on to the last question, which is, I really enjoyed last year's workshops. What workshops I'm planned for this year? All right. It's a boring question. It's a workshop question, guys. I really enjoyed last year's workshop, and what workshops are planned for this year? Workshops. Which workshops? Which workshops are planned for this year, guys? And obviously there are 2 workshops, right? So I'm going to give you a little advice, okay? When you say workshop, somebody will lead a workshop, right? It's not give. Remember I said, where is it? Give a lecture, give a speech, give a presentation, right? But for workshop, it's lead a workshop, lead a discussion, and lead a Q&A session. Okay, so for the workshop, you have to consider using the verb lead, not give. That is a very important point. Okay, so Koi said there are 2. The first one is on address for neuralistic care goals. It will be, no, it's not given by, it's led by. Remember, I just said lead. So if you're going that way, so it will be led by, right? And the second one is on management of emergency. It will be given by, no, again, it will be led by, okay? And Lionel, the last one will be on, no. Lionel, no. Music Ewing, there are 2 workshops. The first workshop will start at 11, and it's called, okay, it's not called, it will be on something something. There will be a workshop on. Okay? I want 1 or 2 example answers that uses the sentences that I usually like to use in my answers. So in this case, you could start by So these are two separate ways of like showing or talking about the workshop schedule. Jody, let me check. There are 2 workshops for this year. First, from 11 to noon, there will be a workshop on address unrealistic care goals. It will be led by. No, it's not presented by. It will be led by. Led, L-E-D. And Jody, the second workshop is no. Music. Yang. The second one will no. Be led by. So here, Gwen will lead a workshop. Okay? And if it's a passive way of saying it, there will be a workshop on something something led by Gwen. This is my tip. One is in the morning at 11. The topic is will be lead? No, will be led by. I've still, for this part, there is the correct answer that you must give. You must say. And I still don't see any correct answers here. All of them have errors and flaws. I'm giving you like what I wrote here, what I typed in here. This is like the biggest tip. Okay, well, Kalusa, let's go back to Kalusa's answer. This year we have 2 workshops. One is on address unrealistic care goals led by William Lee, and the other one is on management of emergencies. Don't say presented, just change the word presented to led by. Then Kalusa's answer is, I guess, the best one among the ones given here. Okay.